Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger by the swipe. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that just tap here on this three dots. After that you'll see here again the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute it, slide to the right side with your finger this blue dot, and then just click here to done to save all the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.